Nick. Who else?
Come down here, fella. Oh. See that guy? Yeah, go ahead back and forth. Two of them. Yeah, so pull out to the open, fella.
What happened?
I sat up and he shot me right in the face. They were both sitting there like that, aiming at me.
Yeah.
Oh, that's for the fire. Oh, we need some light.
Good shot. Is that everyone? You alright? Do you like your new gun?
No, not really.
Seriously?
Yeah, it's only a show off. Never even got a shot off.
Keep an eye out and tell you where they're coming from. If there's any to the left, I'm trying to clear, but we've got somebody on the left at the moment anyway. Ammo. Stop it. I'm hit! Yeah! I'm hit!
What do I do when I'm here?
That way.
Nice! Kill! Oh!
I'm a little bit on the fucking fire side, so I'll stay in the rear. I'll lay down cover the fire because I've got one done. Okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Somebody wants to move on that side there. Can they come out from the tin huts?
Yeah.
Oh, they can?
Yeah.
On the left. We had to go in the hut.
Yeah.
Can you move up from the back?
He's out the back. He's out the back. He's gone. I think it bugged it.
That's it, yo! Game over!